my name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share with you how to make this cute bird from pear. First, I'm going to cut off the bottom of my pear. From skin, I'm going to make beak for my bird. I need thin out the skin so I can able to fold it in half. Final step to make my beak is cutting it into triangle. To insert beak in my pear, I need to make a cut. Easier way to make beak, insert sunflower or almond. But this option not always available. I'm making little cavities in my pear, so it's easy to insert flax seeds and they stay well in the place. For the wings, to slow down darkening, we can put lemon or lime juice. And the best keep wings in place and slide out when ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching my video and welcome to visit my website. I have there much more than on YouTube channel. When I see this cutie at the store, I had to take his picture.